Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. So today I want to do the quick review on Dewalt 20 volt cordless drill and also impact driver, which is this deal comes with two drill basically. So one drill and one impact driver and also one carrying bag, which is this. So this is actually which is a hard bottom, so which is great, and you can fit everything in there and take it anywhere you want. It's very easy, you can carry this. So it comes basically with two basically XR version 4 amp batteries, which is these are the newer version. So one of the feature of these batteries, basically the XR version, it's 33% more power and also 33% more run time, which is great. And also there is a fuel gauge over here, which is as long as you press this, so it will show you how much charge do you have at this moment. And if all three comes on, it means 100%. If no light comes on, then you need to put it on charge, so which is great. So this is how it will work, and it's very lightweight to compare to the older batteries. And this is actually the driver, so you just put it in like that and it will fit. So it just slide in it. You have to just press this, just open it, and just basically slide it in. So there is 3 speed over here. So this is like 1, you can just go 1, 2, and this is 3. So this is a maximum. And also there is a light over here, as you can see. So this light will help you exactly to see what you're doing at nighttime or dark areas. This is great option to have, and these are LEDs, last long. And basically, so this is goes reverse, forward, like that. And this is designed for bits, basically just screw in, screw out, or something like that, and this is how you take it out. So, and this drill basically, basically first of all, it comes, basically with hanger that you can just hang it anywhere you want it. Like these hooks, are designed for belt or toolbox or anything like that. And also this is, you can just control basically the strength of it. So this is actually for drilling. You can go, if you don't want too much pressure on it, so you can go with, you can just basically control it over here. And also this is the speed, as long as you go 1, this is 1, I'm gonna go 2, which is much faster spins. And also there is a light over here, which is focused on the area that you are working to. So this is the same way, you just open it up and close it. And yeah, so this actually drills, this is great, for job site or keep it at home, for if you have any construction or anything going on. So this can be the best for you and last long. So as of my experience, I would give 10 out of the 10 for this Dewalt 20 volt cordless drill and the impact driver, which is, and also the bag, which is comes with it, and 2 batteries, which is a great deal. Highly recommended. Thanks for watching.